Let's take a few basic property facts and turn them into a complete marketing package. Usually, that process takes hours. Today, we're going to do it in minutes. When you list a new property, the immediate hurdle is friction. You have MLS links, high-res photos, and rough copies scattered across a dozen different apps, making it difficult to actually start building your campaign. AgentClip solves this by giving you a centralized command center. Everything you need to market a listing lives in one workspace, eliminating the need to jump between tabs and tools. By keeping everything in one place, this workflow outputs high-end, publish-ready assets instantly, perfectly formatted for print, social, and email. This is the dashboard home, your starting line for daily operations. Up top, metric cards track active listings and AI usage limits. Next, the brand voice panel ensures the system writes consistent copy. Below, the Quick Actions panel rapidly initiates new campaigns. Relying on this centralized dashboard ensures you maintain a constant view of your pipeline, keeping you focused on the big picture instead of getting lost in individual microtasks. Moving into the main app board, the folder system sits on the left, with active listing cards in the center. We'll use this specific luxury estate at 107 East Mill Road as our container for all property data. Before generating anything, you need to open the media library. Here, you upload and select 5 to 8 high-quality photos to visually anchor the property. Next, paste your raw property facts, like price, square footage, and unique features, into the Context tab. This gives the AI the strict parameters it needs to work with. Grounding the system with accurate facts and photos is a required step. Doing this upfront guarantees that all the content you produce next is highly relevant and accurate. Back on the listing card, this row of core buttons is your primary engine for rapid content creation. Clicking Rewrite MLS takes your raw notes and structures them into standard, polished listing text. Next, hitting the Social Pack button generates tailored social content for all platforms, direct buyer emails in seconds, and fully formatted flyer copy without typing a single new prompt. When the outputs appear, use the built-in Save, Copy, or Markdown buttons. Avoid highlighting the text manually so you don't lose the formatting. Processing all of these core assets in parallel turns a multi-hour writing chore into a rapid 2-minute review process. This is the Fair Housing Scanner interface. Running this check is mandatory before any content leaves the platform. It analyzes the AI-generated text for risky language, pointing out flagged phrases and offering neutral rewrites. Once your base copy is clean, open the More and Content dropdowns to access advanced marketing strategies. For example, the video script option builds a ready-to-record outline, expanding the listing's reach beyond standard text. Moving down to the blog post tool allows you to generate a full WordPress-ready article designed to capture long-tail search traffic. These advanced tools provide deep, strategic outputs. The Video Ideas modal delivers multiple distinct angles and hooks based entirely on the property facts uploaded earlier. AgentClip provides advanced, intelligent drafts, but human verification is always the final step. You must review the facts and verify local brokerage compliance before you publish. With the campaign belt, you navigate to the Exports and Finished Assets menu to package your finalized content. The exported social pack bundles your images, captions, and tags, making the files completely ready for cross-platform distribution. This printed flyer is the physical culmination of that digital workflow, complete with a scannable QR code linking directly to the listing details. That is the workflow. You take a single property's raw data, organize it, and generate a fully verified multi-channel marketing campaign in a matter of minutes.